Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students, and welcome to Star Academy. The topic of today's video lesson is components of a lesson plan. The first component of a lesson plan is objective. We have two types of objectives. These are general objectives and specific objectives. What is general objective? General objective states it is the overall knowledge obtained by a learner in teaching learning process. It is useful in real life teaching. Now, specific objectives. There are three types of specific objectives. Let us discuss these three. Number one, knowledge objectives. Students will be able to get knowledge about specific topic of a subject. Number two, understanding object. Students will be able to understand the concept of the specific topic of subject. Number three is application objective. Students will be able to apply knowledge in their practical life. These are three specific objectives while making a lesson plan: knowledge objective, understanding objective, and application objective. Knowledge objective enable the student to get knowledge about specific topic, whereas understanding objectives enable students to understand the concept of any topic, and applicational objective enable the students to apply their learnings in their practical life. Now, number two is learning activities. Learning activities can be categorized into two groups. Number one is preparatory activities and number two is developmental activities. First, let us see preparatory activities. Preparatory activities consist of four components: drill, review, introduction, and motivation. On this slide, now you can learn about these four components: drill. Drill is a basic activity which enables students to automate response to pre-required skills of the new lesson. Review. This is an activity which refresh or renew the knowledge of the students. The introduction. This activity sets the purpose of the new lesson. And motivation. It is the sum of all the lesson related activities that arouse the interest of the students. That was preparatory activities. Now let us move towards developmental activities. Developmental activities is the same four components: presentation, discussion analysis, abstraction generalization, and closure application. Presentation. The teacher uses different activities to teach the knowledge, values, and skills that could be applied in their lives outside the school. And discussion. During discussion, teacher asks different effective questions about lesson presented and students try to answer these questions depending on their understanding about the specific topic. Abstraction. The complete summarization of the information is abstraction or generalization. Now the fourth component, closure or application. This relates the lesson to following situations: dramatization, simulation and play, storytelling, oral reading, construction and drawing, written composition, singing or reciting, a test, solving a problem. Component number 3. Evaluation. What is evaluation? Evaluation is the collection, analysis, and interpretation of information about any aspect of a program of education as part of recognized process of judging its effectiveness, its efficiency, and any other outcomes it may have. Evaluation is the method of checking or assessing the objectives met by the teaching of lesson. It includes questioning, summarizing, comparing, presenting the previous learning, assigning work, quiz competitions, etc. Number 4 is assignment. What is the objective of the assignment? The assignment writing objectives describe the learning results that should happen by a particular assignment or project. Like all purposes, assignment writing objectives indicate an increase in factual, descriptive, actual, conceptual, detailed, clear, procedural, or metacognitive knowledge of subjects and its topics. Characteristic of a model assignment. Create assignments which directly relate to accomplishing the course objectives. More details equals higher quality of student final product. Allow students to brainstorm for topics, give examples, and share student evaluation tools. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.